Save this video. These 5 AI tools are completely free, and they will change how you work, learn, and create. Number 1, ChatGPT. Type any question and get a genius-level answer instantly. Free at chatgpt.com. Number 2, DALL-E or Adobe Firefly. Type what you want, get a custom image. Free to try today. Number 3, Suno AI. Turn a simple description into a full song, no music experience needed. Number 4, Canva AI. Design posters, slideshows, and videos with AI doing most of the work for you. Number 5, Google Gemini. Like ChatGPT, but also connected to Google Search. Great for research and learning. There has never been a better time to start using AI. These tools are for everyone, not just tech people. Follow AI Emmy. Save this list and share it with someone who needs to know. Follow AI Emmy. Save this list and share it with someone who needs to know.